Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and today I will show you how you can boot this phone into boot mode. So to get started, let's hold power key, select power off, and when the phone turns off you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. This will take us straight away into boot mode. Should be visible right about now. Yep, there we go. So once you see this mode, you can let go of the keys, and then in this mode you will need to use volume keys up and down to navigate through the options that will show up right here, one at a time. So going over the options right here, we can start, which takes us back to Android, restart bootloader, which basically does nothing because it just brings us back here. We can enter recovery mode, we can power off our phone, and then show bootloader logs, show barcode, which not sure what that is actually for, and then we're back to start. Now whatever you want to confirm that is visible right here, you'll then press power key to do so. And because I want to leave this mode, I'm sticking with start, confirm that, and this will now take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back on Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.